Hello everyone, I am Lisa. Can you guess where am I now? Actually, I am inside a huge shelf tunneling machine. With a diameter of 50 meters, it's 136 meters long. This machine itself is higher than 5-story building. Actually, right now, it's excavating a tunnel across Yangtze River, Wuhu City, East China's Anhui province.
With a total length of about 6 kilometers, this tunnel project is the first river tunnel across the Yangtze in Anhui province. It is designed to have a two-way 6-lane highway with a design speed of 80 kilometers per hour. The tunnel extends for about 1,500 meters under the Yangtze River and can reach over 70 meters underground. It has encountered many difficulties due to the complicated geological conditions.
我们这条隧道在江底要一次长距离穿越，进行到1800米。我们为工程量身定做了2台断构机，力保隧道安全高效掘进。
Can you imagine? The room behind me is the control room. To compare with the size of the tunneling machine, this room is just tiny. Let's have a look. In the control center, we can see a lot of data such as speed and the tunneling progress of the machine. Can you imagine that currently this tunneling machine can tunnel 12 meters a day? Also, it's equipped with many advanced devices such as navigation system and detection system.
This tunnel has begun construction in 2019 and is scheduled to open to traffic at the end of 2024, which will shorten the journey between Wuhu's new district and its main urban zone to 5 minutes, nearly half an hour quicker than the current roundabout road by bridge.
Behind me is the Yangtze River Bridge. It was finished just 2 years ago. From boat to bridge and then to the Cross River Tunnel. Chinese people has continued to upgrade the way to cross the river. Speed is the key word when we talk about China. This tunnel offers a solution for Wuhu citizens to have a faster way to cross the Yangtze River and have a more convenient life.